Okay, today we're gonna show you how to make dull sliced pineapple, quick and easy with a real simple device we're going to be showing you. But first we're going to have to do a little karate on this pineapple. Ready? Hi-ya! Oh no, not like that. Okay, here we go. Slice through this top. That was hard. Now, I'm just going to clean this up a bit where you can see it. It doesn't do you any good if I don't show you. Okay. You want a good sharp knife. And this is fairly sharp. Okay. Now, let's see.
Stand it up.
Now, this tool right here, those of you that don't know, this is what gives you the sliced pineapple. You don't even have to peel it. I mean, it makes it so sweet, quick and easy. Alright, you put this as this core. See the core in the center? Well, it's kind of off-center because this pineapple grew off-centered. Anyways, there's this core. You just put this over the core, press down and turn. Now, it looks like on this particular pineapple, wouldn't you know it, looks like I'm going to have to peel a little bit of the top. Normally you don't have to, but this one's kind of deformed, so I am going to peel this back. Okay. Yeah, this one's just a slightly deformed, I'd have to say. Okay, so we're dealing with here. So I'm just kind of cutting this back. See, I'm just kind of cutting around the edge here. And I'm going to do this all the way around, but normally you don't have to do this. Okay. What can go wrong will go wrong, right? Well, but not all the time. This is called expect the unexpected. Be prepared. It's all good, well, except for the peel. That was supposed to be funny, kind of some little dry humor there. Alright. Here we go. I think that's probably going to suffice. As you see, I just kind of cut it back. Okay, now.
Somehow is this recording in like fast motion?
No, it looks like it. It looks like it. It's not. It's just turning really fast. Now, watch how this works. You see this? I guess this allows you to see exactly how this works. You see, okay, just cutting. I'm just pushing down and turning. And it's going to go down like a corkscrew. Okay, here's your next layer. Okay, here's your first layer. Here's your next layer, and this gives you real nice thick pieces of pineapple. Okay, and you just turn this, and now it's cake. It's going right down inside. Okay, juice is like just pouring out of this. I don't know if you can see the juice dripping off here, running everywhere. Okay, look, juice. It's that simple. All I need is a cup. I can drink it. Alright. Or a straw. That's what I need is a straw. LOL. Alright, I think I'm about at the bottom. Whoa! Look at all that juice that just poured out of there. Look at this. I need a cup. Actually, I'm going to need a paper towel like right now.
Yeah.
We don't want that sticky mess on the floor. Unexpected, guys. This is live, not Memorex.
Means it was right.
Yes, right. Too bad I'm not able to put the juice in the cup. I messed up. And on Smell-O-Vision TV, we're going to have to take some pineapple juice and make a honey butter sauce using pineapple juice. It'll be a honey garlic butter pineapple sauce.
Well, I thought about doing that with some pineapple and then when I do like the sweet and sour,
Oh,
doing a honey butter with the pineapple juice and
oh, for sweet and sour, yeah, that would be the bomb. That would really be good. All right, so I'm all the way through. Now, looks like I should get a bowl so we don't create a big mess.
probably.
And yeah, we're gonna do it in a clear glass bowl so you can see. All right, not too much juice now. And look, this just kind of you
gotta keep bringing it down. I think. Ken.
No, I got it.
Do you?
Yeah, it's at the bottom. Okay, now we're going to show you these layers. Okay, there's the core. Look at this. It's a chiquita banana. No, there it is. It's been cored. All right. I wonder if you could do something. Use this in some kind of a food or something.
I've seen people that will fill it with fruit cocktail or whatever.
Fill it with fruit cocktail. Now look at these layers.
You gotta pull the lid off.
All right, now to get the layers off. Okay.
See the button?
You push these buttons. It's child-proof. You pull these buttons. You take the lid off. Now watch the magic. Look at this. Is that not cool? Look at this.
Whoop.
You just, all right. You just dump it. You just pull it off. I was just showing you. There it is. There's your pineapple rings right there. Look at that. Easier than pie. Easier than cake.
You still got another one.
And we got one down, one to go. I'm still managing.
He's got to clean up his mess.
We got this juice going on here. Or maybe I can save the juice in the next one. I can just put it right into that bowl. So it's in its own juices. Alright. Now.
Might want to clean up the skin.
Well, I guess. Okay. If you had a garden, you could put that in your garden, that's for sure. Would be good for your garden.
Remember, pineapple juice has stuff that will break down the enzymes in the meat. Make it tender.
Yes, it has a natural tenderizer built in. Yeah, it's a form of acid, actually. It's a natural acid that's in the pineapple that acts as a meat tenderizer. Works as a meat tenderizer. Okay.
Here comes the other one.
There's the other one. Just gonna pop this in place. You can just kind of squeeze it. Push it down. Okay. Then just turn it into place. Bam, it just pops right in. Okay. Alright, now for the Chinese cleaver. You ready? Yeah! Oh, it didn't work. Okay, here we go. Okay. More rubbish. More rubbish. Not rubbish, rubbish. I think it's called. That's an English or a Australian term, I believe. Rubbish. Here in America, we say trash. But it's all the same. It's all good. Alright. Now, this one isn't deformed. This one I'll be able to put this in here and make these pineapple pieces without having to cut it. See, this is how it's supposed to work. Just like this. Okay, this is how it's supposed to work. Up close and personal. You can see how it's cutting the rings, the pineapple rings now. And this is generally how it goes. Now I'm going to take this juice. There's juice forming. Okay, as we're cutting down through this. That way you don't have a mess and we're keeping it in its own juices. Alright. And I'm not pushing down too hard, slightly firm. And when you get to the bottom, you know it'll bottom out. You can feel it gets kind of tough. I'm going to pour these juices in there about now. It's definitely helping on not making a mess and saving the juice. I'm almost down to the bottom. The other thing you can do, if you're not good, you're not sure. All right, I'm all the way through. You can take your cutter and you can set it alongside the pineapple to see how deep it's going to go, so you know when it gets to the bottom. All right, here we go. Oh, that had a lot of juice. You just missed it. I just poured a bunch out of there. Now you see the ring, the centerpiece, the core. Okay, you can see it's got a hole here at the bottom. All right. So, and then you just again, you can peel it off by your hand, or you just push these buttons right here. And you can turn it and then pull it out. That would be the way to do it. Push in. Okay, let me do it again. All right, you just push, turn, and pull. That's how it's done. And here we go. And there's your rings. They just kind of separate. You can use a knife, but it isn't really necessary. And there you have it. So if you haven't liked, subscribed, like and subscribe. I'm going to do a field test. That's the bomb. That's better than candy. And it's good for you. So like, subscribe, share, and tell a friend. Bye for now. God bless and never give up, because there's always a way. Bye for now.